But yes, what's good about this? What's good about the walls of Jerusalem being preached? What is good about the temple being destroyed? The good part is we only destroy something to make it better. We only have something destroyed in our lives to make room for good, for the goodness that's coming. We only lose people in our lives to make room for the right ones. God is so good. God is so good. All the time. Sometimes He shows the goodness, and sometimes He doesn't. Just because we don't see the good doesn't make Him any less good. This Parshat Pinchas, who later became in life, between life and death, became Elijah the prophet, Eliyahu Hanavi. And this was a time where they sent a bunch of women, the Moabites, the Midianites, to seduce the nation of Israel. And there was one who was kind of a leader of a tribe, Zimri, who was doing it with a princess, one of the daughters of the king. Just out there for everyone to see. And the sages say that Moshe froze up and cried. Just was so shocked, didn't know how to respond, and just started crying. And Pinchas took a spear and did what God commanded him to do in that scenario. We have so many things that goes on in our lives, but there are some moments which can make us or break us. There are some moments which can take us to the max, or we could just miss the point. This man took action, which was a dangerous thing to do. The guy who he took care of was kind of the leader of a tribe, very honorable position. His posse, his crew could have came and attacked him, but he went with God. May all have a Shabbos where you go with God, where you know that anything was destroyed in your life is meant to be rebuilt. Any actions you take should be to get closer to you, to Hashem, to our beautiful Father in heaven who loves us unconditionally. And may we feel His love, internalize that love, and feel that love from ourselves as well. Wishing y'all a sweet, beautiful, wholesome, and serene Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom.